In this video, I'm going to show you how to play piano in Cakewalk. Now, of course, you could go and connect your keyboard or your piano, your synth, or whatever to your computer, but I'm going to show you how to do this using virtual instruments and actually play it inside Cakewalk only. So, I'm going to go to over here, as you can see top left, click on the plus button to add a track, and you want to select instrument up top. Where it says instrument, you want to click on that, and you want to go and find something where you can find your pianos, okay? So over here you can see we have piano. I'm going to hover over it, and you have a bunch of different ones. You have the bright piano, you have the accordion, you have FM keys, etc. I'm just going to go with the grand piano over here, and I'm going to click on it. Like this, as you can see, it's been selected. I can then go and click Open Virtual Controller, and then click on Create. That's going to create a new track, as well as this keyboard over here. There's actually two of them, and you can go and, of course, use these two to play piano. So let me show you if I play this, either by clicking. It's actually playing the piano, like this, or of course, you could just go ahead and press these keys, and it's gonna play the piano with your keyboard, okay, which is quite cool. Now, if you want to record this, you can do that as well. You simply want to hit this button to enable recording, and then this one as well over here to start recording. And if you click in here, you can just go ahead and play this, or whatever. And of course, when you stop recording, you're gonna get your MIDI over here. If I pause this, there we go. Just like this, you've successfully started playing piano in Cakewalk. And if you want to open this up again, click on this button and it's going to reopen the piano roll over here. Or of course, you can edit this by double clicking it and editing this piano roll over here. That's how to play piano. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.